Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make your Shopify header smaller. A compact header improves user experience and maximizes screen space for your products. We will explore two main methods: using the theme customizer for simple adjustments and directly editing the theme code for more precise control. This process involves navigating your Shopify admin, locating relevant theme files, and applying specific CSS modifications. Let's get started and give your store a sleek, professional look. Many Shopify themes offer built-in options to adjust header size directly within the theme customizer. Once inside the customizer, navigate to the header section. Here, you might find settings for logo width, top and bottom padding, or overall header height. Experiment with these sliders and input fields to see how they affect your header's appearance. Remember to save your changes after previewing them to ensure they are applied to your live store. This is the simplest approach. For more precise control, you will need to edit your themes code. From your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes, click Actions, and select Edit Code. Search for files such as Theme, SCSS, Liquid Base, CSS, or Sections/Header. Liquid. Use your browser's developer tools to identify the specific CSS classes or ID associated with your header elements, like the navigation menu or logo container. This step is crucial for targeted modifications. Once you have identified the relevant CSS selectors, you can apply your modifications. For example, you might add CSS like site header padding, 10 pixels 0, height, auto, or header logo max width, 120 pixels. Reduce padding and margins to shrink the overall header area. Adjust font sizes for navigation links if needed. Always save your changes, and then thoroughly test your store on various devices to ensure the header looks great and functions correctly across all screen sizes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.